Hello everyone and happy Friday. Before we share my analysis from these last few days, please remember that neither I nor the SIMETRI team from Crypto Briefing are licensed financial advisors. What we provide is not a personalised investment advice. It is merely our opinions based on our various research and diligence. As always, do your own research before making any decisions about buying or selling crypto. Getting to the charts for Bitcoin, I think if we have a look at the post CPI price pump, I think the low came in at around 21.7. So if the market did get down to there and we started to close the daily candle, then I'd turn bearish. But that would be the key downside level. The monthly pivot 22.8, maybe we'll test that today if we start to head lower. The current weekly pivot point 24,000, we're already below that. And if we did move higher, as I indicated earlier, 25,300 and 28,000 are the key upside targets. And the daily price close below maybe 21.8 and 21.7 would be where things start to get nasty. In terms of Bitcoin, we could see that whales started to sell yesterday, and retail haven't really stopped with their buying. So it's a very, very bad sign. And I would say that retail haven't been that interested in buying Bitcoin since around 23,000. So that could be a natural area that we'd get down towards. If we have a look at the last downturn in Bitcoin, so you can see that the November high has acted as support around after the CPI report. So that would be the area that the market would need to go down there. And you can see that the moving average around 23,000, that's been acting as key support. So below 23,000, maybe we can start to test down towards that area. Interesting observations on the chart is that we haven't had a test of the 200-day moving average. So if we really did start to move lower, then maybe we'll get a test of the 200-day moving average. And also the 50-week moving average has started to cross below the 200-week. So that's a really bearish sign, which is kind of conflicting with the market trading above the 200. So we'll have to find out which one is right soon. If we go to Ethereum now, it's pretty bullish in terms of the technicals for Ethereum. So there's a golden cross going on the price charts. The 50 period has crossed over the 200 period. So there's a strong buy signal there, but we are capped. So we're kind of above the 200, but below the 50. So we haven't really taken off. And if we move below 1,400, then things probably get pretty nasty. And I can say that this is probably the areas that I would look towards if we get a breakout. The breakout area below 1,400, and we go towards those liquidation levels around 1,000. And if we start to move above the 50-week moving average, then based on the liquidation levels that we saw earlier, then we could quickly move probably towards the 2,000 level quite quickly. I would say that we probably going to face some resistance around 1,800, and then after that the market is probably going to continue towards the 2,000 level. That's kind of how I see it if I read that from liquidation levels. So 1,750 is the key area to watch on the charts, I would say, and below 1,400 things can get pretty nasty until about 1,000 US dollars. And thank you. I hope you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like more, please click the subscribe button for Pro BTC Trader and join me every week on Wednesdays for our live trading war room and daily email updates.